Okay, everyone, this is how not to tile. I used to use this glue years ago. It's a full-on rubber glue and it was very expensive. Your glue is not that expensive anymore, so there's no excuse to do this anymore. And what they've done is just used a trowel and they've gone just like that, and that's what happens. Ooh! Because it's like, in the day this was done, you didn't have to waterproof your walls, seal your walls, nothing like that. You see that? That's crapolo, dude. It would be alright if I was taking the tiles off and then going over the top, but I'm not. I'm taking all these sheets off because they want to put bats in the wall to cut down the noise for the bedroom. So I'm taking all these sheets off. But see that? Nah, that's how it was all done 30 years ago. Unfortunately, things are getting a little bit tighter now, and people are starting to spread their tile and that sort of thing, but there's still a lot of tilers out there that are daubing their tiles, and there's no need to. You know, glue is cheap. You're getting a better price these days. If you're still having to daub your tiles, well, you've priced the job wrong. Contractors, price the job properly and spread your tile. I don't believe in buttering your tile. Nah, never have, never will. But spreading your tile and then putting it on the wall while it's still very fresh, that is the go. That is long gone. That sort of thing is long gone. See you soon. Push that subscribe button and see more of my videos. See you soon. Now look at that. That's their idea of waterproofing in those days. They'd just come up. Ooh! Golly! Yeah, they've had a lot of trouble with their water, with their piping in this house. If I sound a bit funny, I've got a mask on, a dust mask. Yeah. Yep. So I'll be very surprised if this shower wasn't leaking. By the looks of it, I'm sure it was. It's fiberglass. Fiberglass is out now. Because as it got more and more brittle over the years, it started cracking. So you'd get sort of hair cracks in it because it's so rigid, it can't expand and contract. That's why everything is, all the waterproofing now is flexible. I'll come back to you soon. See ya. I got to take this mask off. God. See you soon. Okay, well, we've got the walls down. So now I'll get rid of this rubbish and start on the floor. We'll see you soon.